Making plural nouns.
Rules and exceptions.
Rule number 1. Regular plurals. For regular singular nouns, add s to make them plural. Examples:
Book,
books,
pen,
pens,
flower,
flowers,
dog,
dogs,
table,
tables. Rule number 2. Nouns ending in s, double s, ch, sh, x, or z. For nouns ending in these letters, add es to form the plural. Examples:
glass,
glasses,
bus,
buses,
dish,
dishes,
bench,
benches,
box,
boxes. Tip: in some cases, when a noun ends with z, the letter doubles before adding es. Examples:
fez,
fezzes,
quiz,
quizzes. Rule number 3. Nouns ending in f or fe. For nouns ending in f or fe, change f or fe to ve and then add s. Examples:
knife,
knives,
leaf,
leaves,
wolf,
wolves,
shelf,
shelves. Exceptions: some nouns don't follow this rule. Just add s for them. Examples:
roof,
roofs,
chef,
chefs,
cliff,
cliffs,
giraffe,
giraffes. Rule number 4. Nouns ending in y. 1. If the letter before y is a consonant, change y to ies. Examples:
baby,
babies,
Story.
Stories.
Country.
Countries.
Candy.
Candies.
Butterfly.
Butterflies. 2. If the letter before Y is a vowel, simply add S. Examples:
Donkey.
donkeys,
Guy.
guys,
Key.
keys,
Toy.
toys,
Holiday.
holidays. Rule number 5. Nouns ending in O. For nouns ending in O, add es. Examples:
Potato.
potatoes,
Buffalo.
buffaloes,
Tomato.
tomatoes,
Mango.
mangoes. Exceptions: some nouns ending in O only take S. Examples:
Video.
videos,
Photo.
photos,
Zoo.
zoos,
Piano.
pianos,
Volcano.
volcanoes or volcanoes. Rule number 6. Nouns ending in US. Change US to I for the plural form. For example:
Cactus.
cacti. Rule number 7. Irregular nouns. Some nouns have irregular plural forms. They don't follow typical rules. Examples:
Child.
children,
Goose.
geese,
Man.
men,
Woman.
women,
Tooth.
teeth,
Foot.
feet,
mouse,
mice. Rule number 8. Nouns with the same singular and plural form. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural. Examples:
aircraft,
aircraft,
sheep,
sheep,
fish,
fish,
series,
series,
deer,
deer.
Thank you for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video.